All right, y'all, we're switching gears a little bit. Miss Jackson, if you're nasty, or Janet Jackson. She wants some respect on her name, man. So the iconic singer is scheduled to make her debut at the Glastonbury Festival this summer, along with some groups like The Cure, The Killers, and a bunch of other people. And it's a pretty dope lineup. There's a lot of people on there. Well, the promotional poster for the festival came out, and the acts listed in the following order. It was the Killers, who are going to be headlining, The Cure, Stormzy, Kylie, and then Janet Jackson. So, because Miss Jackson's kind of like a diva icon, she's been in the game for a long time, she took it upon herself to reorder the festival's lineup to bump her name to the top of the poster where she feels like she belongs, and then posted the new version of the poster to her social media so everybody could take a glance. Now, take a look. So, you know the fans that saw the original poster had a field day with this. Now, one fan posted, Janet Jackson's version of the Glastonbury poster displays the sort of positive energy we should all aspire to.
I think everybody's taking this a little bit too seriously. I think somebody made this for her. I feel like she did not make this herself, and they sent it to her, and either whoever posted it, her or whoever else did. Like, I think it was all in fun. Like, I don't think it's like nobody comes before me. And you know, she's not like that.
And see, and Glastonbury is overseas, so like where they're doing this tour at or the show at, a lot of those people are bigger than Janet Jackson in those places.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Well,
Well, they put Kylie name before Janet. Hell, Kylie, not even a band.
That is not
It's not Kylie. She don't sing or.
You know who I really feel sorry for? The yellow name, green name, pink name. You can't even read the bottom. Those are the people I feel sorry for. They don't even know they're there.
At least you're in the big blue font.
Yeah, but everybody needs to get off Janet Jackson's back. I feel like in my heart of hearts, she doesn't know how to do Photoshop. It wasn't her that was behind this.
She don't
This is
have
her
time for
people's.
that.
Yeah.
Leave Janet alone.